Welcome back to the channel. My name's Jeremy if you haven't been here before. I am in West Jefferson Ford, the Randy Marion dealership, and this is my truck, which I got from here about a week ago. And we had a lot of snow, and snow equals salt and mud and all that stuff. So I'm going to do a quick clean today. I'm going to be teaching my guys that work with me some stuff they haven't seen before. So we're going to do a quick clean on this. I'm not sure that I'm going to be able to video because I forgot my tripod today. However, we'll see what we can do. I might be able to set it up on something and you kind of get the idea. You can't see it too well from afar, but there's salt and grime and stuff all over this thing. Wheel wells are terrible. I live out in the country up on the mountain, so it is a mess up there. See the tailgate. But if you are in the market for a truck, come see these guys. Tell them Jeremy sent you. And yeah, keep it clean. Have a good day. Stay tuned and enjoy the music. Alright, let me show y'all. This was just a very simple wash that we did. It was to knock the salt and the dirt off, but the results are phenomenal just with that. So I did not get as good a foam out of our pressure washer here because it is extremely high PSI and it is pumping out water. So I use a much smaller pressure washer that does around 1.4 gallons per minute, and it does 1200 PSI. So I have way better foaming, and that's what I told them is the next time I show them, I'll bring my little one in here and we'll show them the difference, because I get shaving cream foam compared to what you saw in this video.